Engineered for performance, built to last. Since the introduction of the V8 small block by Chevrolet in 1955, the bow tie has lived by that creed. So today, whether you're new school, old school, a racer, an enthusiast, or all of the above, that creed is carried on in everything Chevrolet Performance offers. And our passion for performance makes our products about more than just power.
So here at the Performance and Racing Centre, we have the ability to take an idea from the CAD screen all the way through to an engine out on a test track. We start with, with a CAD screen, with an idea, a team of designers working with the engineers to put the vision, into the digital realm. And then we have the ability to take that, machine whatever we need to make in-house, and bring that over to our build room. In our engine build area, we have an extremely dedicated team of engine builders, well over 150 years of engine build experience, from race engines to aircraft engines and everything in between. We also have our dedicated dyno cells where we can test anything from 100 horsepower engine all the way up to 1200 horsepower and beyond. Our test cells can run really whatever type of duty cycle that we want to run, whether it be a 24-hour of Le Mans simulation or a drag racing simulation.
Each engine is built with unwavering attention to detail, craftsmanship, and innovation.
What we do at Chevrolet Performance is, we take this great baseline product that we have that's already gone through all the production validation. We make some modifications. A good example, maybe we'll change a camshaft or change an intake manifold. Then when that's done and we've actually got the development of the package done, then what we'll do is we'll go in and go back on the dyno and we'll run another full dyno validation.
Every product and concept undergoes rigorous testing and continued development under the watchful eye of GM staff.
My role out at Milford is multifold. One of the things that we do is we build the mule vehicles. And you guys saw a couple examples of them out front here, and those are the first application of a crate engine. That's the first thing we put it in to figure out, the calibration, the software, if it's going to run standalone. And then we build them, get them running, and we put miles on them. We drive them like the customer will. And we do all our cal work in there. We can do all kinds of driving to ensure that the final cal is, perfect for the customer.
Additional parts designed for both personalization and performance are also continually added to our portfolio.
Our vehicle-specific parts are designed for Corvette, Camaro, and our full truck lineup, including both pickups and SUVs. These parts are product ideas from engineers and racers alike who are always looking to get the most performance out of their vehicle. They know these vehicles in and out and truly understand which upgrades and accessories are going to make a difference. We have everything from suspension upgrades to exhaust systems that really add horsepower. Most won't void the new vehicle limited warranty and are backed by Chevrolet. We put these parts through their paces in some very challenging conditions, be it on the track, off-road, or anything in between.
Dedication and a human touch ultimately provide the formula for continued success.
The success of Chevrolet Performance is about the people, and it's about the passion of the people, and it's really that which is what drives our success.
Engineered for performance, built to last. That's our creed. And how our passion for performance makes our products about more than just power.